Alright, let's give this a go. Wait. This is it. Hello! How's it going? Hey, Cyan, welcome to the Jump Kickoff stream. Hey, Moonleaf, welcome to the stream. I'm bigger now. This is awkward, but yeah. Hey, Lady Rose. Oh, hey, Dom. Hey Alexei, yeah, how's it going? We're gonna kick off a new event, like a game jam thing, finally. Yeah, the people in the Discord server asked for it, and yeah, we organized it, and it's coming. And yeah, I'll be joining as well. So this, I'll just give like 7 minutes until the jam is officially started, and then I can reveal the theme, and then I can start working on my own project, but I'm not sure how well it's gonna go. But you know what, I've been wanting to make something for a while, so this is a great opportunity, and you know, it's my own jam, so it could be awkward of me not participating, you know. So, are you excited about it? Do you have some ideas as to what you want to make? I mean, obviously the theme is probably gonna, alter whatever you had in mind, but, I always tend to come to game jams with some ideas to what I want to make, and usually just, try and fit it to the theme. Sometimes it works alright, other times not as well. But yeah, we'll see about it. Oh, and thanks for the follow, Payai. Oh, I don't. Yeah, okay. So I have set up things a bit hastily. You will see that the theme announcement video is also set up a bit hastily as well. And also, hopefully, the sound will be there. Let me know if it has the sound or not. It's just like generic music, but it would be more fun if it had the sound. We'll see about it. I haven't tested a lot of stuff. Some of the visuals and all that were put together a bit hastily, but hopefully it won't matter. I just tried to make it as official as I could. Hey there, welcome to the stream. Yeah, Kim. Yeah, I have to thank Dom for this. He made it and proposed that I change it, and I also changed it on Twitter as well. There's so many places where I could change it, but for now it's just like Discord and Twitter. And while the jam is going on, I will have this avatar just so people can remember that there's a jam going. Excuse me, I'm obviously still doing stuff on the side, but yeah, there's 5 minutes for the jam to start, and we're actually at 98 people that actually joined in the its.io jam page. It would be great if like 2 more could join in the next 4 minutes or so, but I'm just being optimistic. But I mean, it's still like a much bigger turnout than I would expect, and I don't expect every one of these 98 people to deliver something, but it could be awesome if even one actually delivered one. It would be awesome if I managed to deliver something for this jam. We'll see how that goes. I'm not sure how many teams are there actually, and how many participants actually plan on making something. But either way, I hope that it will be a fun event, and we'll just see how it goes, and maybe prepare for a next one to make it even bigger and better. So this is like also a kind of a test. Dom, I am going solo for the most part. I am looking around for audio people. I asked some of them in the server as well, mostly because I can do some audio and maybe some music and maybe some sound effects, but I'm not great at it. and you know, it's something that I would want to take my mind off of it and just focus on all the other stuff that I would like to make. And also, while it was an optimistic estimate of me, we actually did manage to reach 100 people joining in the jam. Yeah, just so it, Cyan. That's awesome. All right, with 2 minutes to spare, we might even get more than 100. That would be cool. But I mean, again, I would be fine with just like two people. So like, this is the first one, and I'm not sure how well it will go, but you know, it's awesome to see people being hyped for it and being interested in making stuff. Cause yeah, that's all I wanted really. And yeah, game jams are awesome to try and make stuff and experiment with ideas you had or ideas you get during the jam, and working with other people and showing your work. Ideally, the best case scenario could be that after people have submitted their games, I will also do like a couple of streams, one or more, I don't know, playing all the submissions and I don't know, giving feedback, or just, you know, just playing the games just to see what people made. I'm not sure if people would be interested in this, but maybe we could also do like a small kind of presentation segment where I could, you know, jump from team to team in the Discord voice channels while on stream, and you know, people could present their game and, you know, just comment a bit on what they made and any challenges, you know, like a post-mortem of whatever they managed to make. That would be cool. Yeah, and alright, we're now at 1 minute. Oh, we did get more people, like 104 people joined the jam. That's cool. We're actually like the 10th most popular, like most joined jam this month. Which, I mean, in some fairness, there's not many jams in this month. But still, I mean, it's, yeah, there were plenty, and yeah, I'm just one person and people joined this jam for, you know, this community, and that's awesome. Yeah, of course you can still join the jam. I mean, it's not like, you know, when the jam is started in like 10 seconds you won't be able to join. So, you know, it's open, it's for 1 week. Do whatever you want. Thanks for the follow, and I think I should jump to the theme reveal, because in 1 second the jam has started, and here is the theme for you. Hopefully you have sound. And there you have it. Okay, I had the microphone muted, so I took a longer breath. And there you have it. Hopefully you had sound. I have no idea if you had sound. Hopefully you had sound. And yeah, that's the theme. Let me also really quick change the... wait. Also add the theme in the Twitch its.io page. Sorry, I'm nervous. Give me 1 second. Hopefully this is aligned, because aligning in its can be tricky. Yeah, alright, it is updated. So there you have it. This is the theme for you. It's like X but Y. It's a twist on an existing game or genre in any way you want, be it like thematic, you know, by the content. So like you make, I don't know, Call of Duty with bees, or it's in terms of visuals, or in terms of gameplay mechanics. Like I added the example of like Minecraft but in 2D, and you know that this already exists. It's Terraria. Um, Hopefully this theme will give you a great starting point from which you can actually, make something new and exciting while also having a solid base, something that keeps your game grounded and not too gimmicky or not too weird, something that makes your game relatable and but still has a little twist, something that makes it new and creative and exciting. At least that's those are the games and themes that I enjoy seeing. I don't really like themes, very abstract themes like duality. Okay, yeah, that was an easy job at the global game jam theme, but whatever. Because okay, while they're very open-ended, you can end up with a lot of the same games or a lot with games that have like a very specific gimmick that a bunch of other games have as well. And I thought that a theme like this will actually, make it more easy for you to come up with something, because it's easy to get there when you have a starting point. So there you have it. Any comments on the theme? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Should I not pick themes anymore? Really? I'm really glad to hear that you like it. Awesome. Yeah, all right. I'm really glad that people enjoy the theme. Yeah, that's what I thought as well. Like having a great starting point and playing on mechanics or playing with the style of the theme. Those are the games that I would want to see. So hopefully, there will be some interesting submissions there. Oh, sadly you can't really participate. Oh, that's too bad. But it's alright. I mean, hopefully this will be a regular thing, not very regular, but still kind of regular. So hopefully, you will be able to join the next one, or just see all the cool submissions that people made for this jam and be inspired for something else. I don't know. But what I do know is that I will also start working on my own game. And okay, obviously, since I was thinking of this theme, I had something in mind for my own game, obviously, and just kind of worked my way to the theme from what I wanted to make, which is essentially like, just to fit it on to the theme, it's gonna be something like Hyper Light Drifter, but it's gonna be kind of like a co-op boss rush, or I do want to make it a local co-op with 2 players, and I will try to set it up to be like that. But because I don't currently have anybody in my home right now to test it out with, maybe making it co-op would be tricky. While I will have that in mind while setting up the game, I will start by making it a single player thing, and essentially I just wanna try make one nice boss fight, nothing more. Alright, so I just wanna have snappy combat, and I already started working with something like that with my other project, but I'm gonna start from scratch for this one. So I just want like cool visuals, very basic level design, very basic boss design, just one good boss fight, and I want to make it as polished and fun as possible. And then maybe try and sneak in the co-op in there with some mechanics that I have in mind. And yeah, hopefully I'll have just like a very thin but very polished vertical slice of what I would want to make. Can do it due to school project till summer. Oh, that's yeah, that sucks. I know school can be an issue, but yeah, hopefully we'll have more jams, or you'll find more jams to participate, and yeah, hopefully you get inspired by all the cool submissions from this jam. Main rules for game dev jam, like this gave the game dev jam in particular, or like any game dev jam. I can answer for both, but you know. Oh, okay. So, well, for this jam, and as it also happens in most jams, the project should essentially be made from scratch during the jam duration. As you can imagine, it's kind of a gray area how much of the project can be actually made from scratch. Like, maybe you have a character controller, maybe you've made the character controller before, and I mean, you know, you could technically just bring it over, because writing the same code, you know, while having another window open next to the one you're making right now, you know, it's dumb. All right, so you can use stuff that you've made before, you know, up to some extent. You obviously, it's all, you know, based on common sense, really. Like, you can't really submit a project that you've been working on for months and say, oh, I made it during the jam, you know. Basically, the core and the idea and like the main core of the game should be made during the jam. Also, you are free to use, like, you know, textures and animations and audio and whatever else, you know, like content and media from other sources. You don't have to make everything yourself, but you do, you know, need to make sure that you're not infringing any copyright. So, you know, ideally, don't use stuff that are only for commercial use. Sorry, yeah, that they're only for commercial use, and you know, you need to buy them. No, sorry, I meant that you can't use on a commercial project. Sorry, that's what I meant. So, you know, whatever is freely available, you can use on your game jam project, and it's like, you're encouraged to do so. We can't expect to make everything from scratch, like textures and whatnot. So yeah, obviously, you know, stay close to the theme, but I'm sure that, you know, it's a kind of theme where you can easily fit your idea onto. And also, obviously, you know, don't make any games that are, you know, inappropriate in any way, like offensive to any social group. You know, just like very basic common sense stuff, really. Okay, let me change over to my development scene. There we go. So I have an empty project here, like it's completely empty. I just added one package, I think, but I will add some more right now, because, you know, when I'm making a new project, I just want some stuff in there, like right from the get-go. So that would be, by the way, I'm using the latest LTS version just to try that out as well. And obviously I'm using built-in render pipeline, not URP or HDRP, because that's my jam. Uh, Sorry, give me 1 second. Just scrolling through Discord here just to make sure everything's alright. Yeah, this is my jam, exactly. Hey, Service Now for Life. What ideas I like me specifically? I mentioned before I'm gonna make something like a. I wanna make in general something like Hyper Light Drifter kind of boss rush and make the two-player co-op. Uh, by all means, though. I mean, yeah, I encourage you to do so. And it's not in the sense that I'm gonna make everything better, but everybody can put their spin on the same stuff. This is also why I don't believe that sharing your ideas beforehand is like dangerous, because people might just steal your ideas. Like people are different. Like they can't execute the same idea in the same way. So yeah, my idea is basically like in general like a boss rush, a two-player co-op boss rush, like Hyper Light Drifter. Obviously, top-down isometric. I do like my isometric views. 3D, stylized, built-in render pipeline, and fun, snappy combat, and we'll go from there. So let me add some stuff here. But first, actually, I will be right back. Give me 1 second. I need to set some things up first. Alright, I'm back, and the sound is back as well. I need to remember to enable the microphone. Hmm. Alright, I was adding some stuff here, so I do want my post-processing. Install that. I have a list of some packages to add here, so post-processing is first. I also want cinema scene. Alright. I do want, yeah, cinema scene. Yeah. Like, yeah, obviously you're allowed to use like Unity packages. I don't know if, in case anybody had any other ideas. What else? Pro Builder, yeah, maybe for some very, very basic level design. Also, to be fair, I'm also thinking of throwing in greenery in there, like, which is my own grass placement and rendering tool, which I've been developing on stream as well, for some cool little grassy places. Maybe that would be fun. Okay, Pro Builder. Yeah. I will regret this decision, but I also want the input system, because I want to make it local co-op, and this is, yeah, slightly less frustrating than making it yeah, whatever, than using the legacy. Right. Okay, input system. I was thinking of maybe adding like polybrush. Yeah, sure, throw it in there. Yes, I mean, I mentioned it's gonna be something like a top-down local co-op boss rush kind of thing, but like for this jam I will just try and make one cool and snappy boss fight, and that's about it. And you know, try to come up with like a nice visual identity that I'm happy with. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to make it be a co-op thing during the jam, because you know, I would have to try it out with people. So I will set it up as, you know, it being co-op, but it's probably gonna just be like single player, but like a boss rush based on games like Hyper Light Drifter or Titan Souls. So it's, the initial idea would be like Titan Souls but local co-op, but I'm also leaning towards, you know, like Hyper Light Drifter but like a co-op boss rush, which, I mean, in some fairness, I think Hyper Light Drifter was inspired by Titan Souls, so you know, it's all very close together. But obviously not pixel art. Just gonna be 3D top-down isometric. You know my style. Polybrush, yeah. Oh, and I do want, obviously, like, this is like the best tip I can give for game jams. Do twin, like, yeah. Oh, there's an update. Okay. Yeah, Sammy, I know. It's probably big in scope as it is. I know that. Wait, what? Okay, can I? All right. Yeah, it's probably big in scope. I know. But we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, you know that I wouldn't use a European, especially for a game jam. Like, I want things done fast, and yeah, I'm at least three times slower using Cetograph. Oh no, Sammy. Oh no, they're using P. Oh, they've brainwashed you. Damn, bad influences. Yeah, Pinball Kitty. Yeah, it is the future, but you know, I want it to be a good and fixed future. And feature parity future. Oh wow, I can become famous finally. It's been a while. Let me remember the command for this. Oh yeah, it's /ban. Alright. Oh, I used to get the spammers quite a lot more during the first streams, to be honest. So yeah, I kinda miss them. Maybe I should stop banning them. Alright, I do have all my plugins here. This is... I don't like it here. Let's put it there. This is cool, by the way, and actually I was afraid that it... because I'm using the custom editor tools API, that the greenery thing I have, it wouldn't work, because I didn't do anything to make it work with this new setup. But it's cool that it actually picks it up automatically, and you'll see when I add it that it adds like the custom tools thing underneath this, and it just works. And I'm sorry, I have to get a call. Be right back. And I'm back again. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna have to use the be right back screen quite a lot because I'm still setting up things here and there. So yeah, I'm not sure how much stuff I'll get done today, to be honest. Because, you know, I know it's the start of the jump, but it's also Monday. And, you know, Mondays are... They're Mondays. I mean, Garfield hates them for a reason. I just thought that, okay, Sammy, yeah, probably you'll cut the stream later on. Alright, so yeah, first off, like the first most annoying thing we have to make, a character controller. So let's, you know what, I'm gonna start right on with ProBuilder. ProBuilder. I did that ProBuilder, yeah, ProBuilder window, yeah. I'm not sure I enjoy this new ProBuilder setup, but whatever. Okay, did you know what? Let me keep it 10 by 10 because I want to be right at the origin. No, 10 by 10 is fine. Center pivot. Alright, obviously we're gonna start with a capsule. Alright, I obviously need to make this bigger. We do like a quick test as to how the camera will look. Yeah, it's gonna be isometric, but the camera is gonna be in perspective with like a really low field of view, mostly because that way I can take advantage of depth-based image effects and shader effects. To be honest, I will open up my other project, my other character controller from that game I was making, because yeah, I remember a few things from that. The new Unity LTS, yeah, exactly. This is the 2021.3 LTS version, which just came out, and you know I just wanted to try it. What's that? Okay, no. Their input? Is that what I want? Oh boy. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, I now regret my awful coding structure. And let me find the motor. I guess it should be called the player motor. Yeah. Yeah, it has some new stuff. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not gonna lie. It's been a while since I got really excited for a new Unity version, mostly because all the new stuff goes straight to the SRPs. Like, it would be cool if we got like a cool looking water for the built-in pipeline as well. Like, people still use that. Oh, I know what I also want to do. Player. First off, linear. Yeah, change that to linear, please. Okay. Do you see how much less blown up the whites are? Let me switch back to gamma. See how, like, this is pure white, and switching to linear just makes everything much easier on the eyes. Also, let me change the .NET thingy. Do you ever think in changing into Unreal Engine 5? I'm not gonna lie, I have thought about it, but it's so daunting learning a new engine, and also I have found that Unreal Engine is really awesome if you want to make like hyper realistic games that are, you know, like third person or first person games, or, you know, really I don't know, it feels kind of restricting to like photorealistic games that have a very specific type. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, and I found that it's quite hard in Unreal to get like a very stylized look, or be weird with your shaders and your effects and all that. While Unity, at least, you know, in built-in at least, was very open about that, and you could do like a lot of cool stuff that you could think of. Is visual scripting add-on? Yeah, of course. Yeah, absolutely. Use whatever you're comfortable with. Again, like all these are tools, and they're not. It's not like you're adding the whole game into your project. So, yeah, use any add-ons you're comfortable with, especially if you're, you know, even if you've bought them. Yeah, whatever makes your workflow easier. The goal is to make something. Yeah, just to make something playable. Like, how you get to that. Again, use common sense. I always forget how to set up the new input system, and every time I have to think about it. Okay, it's that way. All right, let's make that then. There's it's in. Oh, with the newer version, you can just visual scripting is just integrated. That's cool. You know, I don't mind it because it's not intrusive. So yeah, go for it. Oh, I think I need to go here and go into input actions. Yeah. Okay, let me okay, yeah, I'm not doing the other save thing. Here I'm trying to find out how to set things up for like local multiplayer. Find a very quick tutorial for that. That doesn't use player input manager. Let me try adding some actions, I guess. You know what? I'm overthinking it. Gamepad for this. Oh yeah, it does here then. So amp. Down. Left. Right. Or I mean, could I positive negative? Yeah, I think I do want the positive negative. Oh, I could just make it oh. True that I can't like a 2D axis, I guess, but whatever. To go down. Go up. Yeah, okay. I swear that I could. Add like a 2D vector. Hey Taro, do you always use Unity as input system when starting a project? Well, I've been forcing myself to use it, yeah. Not having a great time with it, but yeah. In you go. What don't I like about it? Well, for one thing, it's like filled with redundancy. Like there's apparently 3 different ways to like use an input with this. And even in code, like there are so many different ways where you can read the input from a button, and you know it's good to be flexible, but it's I feel like it's really redundant, and a lot of the times it's very counterintuitive. It's not doing whatever I think it should be doing. I do like the whole scheme they have where you can, you know, just use the same actions and use them, you know, with like a gamepad or any different input and make it easy to work with different controllers. That's cool. But the rest is just like, so it feels like very complicated and again, redundant. Alright, let's try and get some input, I guess. Oh, okay. So, also one thing I will do, because I don't like this thing in particular. So, there we go. Project, twin. Okay. Let's try this again. Yeah, there's a little hack you can do to make your project use different kind of coding style. Like, yeah, now the brackets don't go over to new line, which is annoying for me usually. value. Actually, you know what? I'm curious to see what this will do. Obviously nothing because I haven't assigned it. Okay. I promise my project will pick up on speed later on. Yeah, obviously it's not doing anything. You know what? Yeah, I'll just take a look at how the other projects is set up, because this is ridiculous. If I can find it. Yeah, that's crazy. You could add the pass-through vector 2. Pass-through vector 2. Okay. For binding. Gonna oh freaking hell. Add up, down, left, right composite. Just say it's a 2D vector. Jesus. You see what I mean? Like, getting input shouldn't be this complicated. And right. Oh wait. I remember what also was wrong. Because, I mean, again, I know this is good practice, but it's so annoying. It's a big departure from the previous system where, you know, input was just always there. But now I have to enable and disable the controls. So, okay, controls, linear movement, value, 22. All right. All right. So the values work. just add? Is there a non-automatic way to handle local multiplayer? Because I don't trust this weird new component. Yeah. Okay, let's say that I want to duplicate that and also make it work with W S A and D. Okay, I'm gonna try its own weird system. And I guess supposedly okay, all right. Layer controller, character controller. Yeah, what I want. Okay. Project, but I'll keep it open. It's weird. Okay. Let's move. And is it? Okay, no, doesn't need that. Okay, I'm following a tutorial here just to make sure I got everything right. Yeah, I know it's not very encouraging that I'm following a tutorial just for a basic character controller, but this input system is causing me headache every time. So yeah. Update, and why not just normalize that? Yes, and I'm forcing myself to finally learn it, and you know, again, for like local co-op stuff, it's handy, okay, but God, it's frustrating. Okay, obviously it decided not to work. I think it's because, does it need me to also use the events, or what's the, or, oh no, wait, must be this, could be this. Wait, I haven't enabled the where does move get called? Oh wait, does it have to be private or public, or doesn't say? I hate this. Input, yeah, player controls. This actually work? No, of course not. Does it even send an event or something? No, it doesn't get called. So why? It's on move, and this is called move. But yeah, obviously I probably need to hook it up to something. Or enable input or something. Default scheme layer. We'll throw that in there. This is so annoying. I'm sure this is very exciting for you to see just me fighting against the enemy's input system. But I really want this to just work. Okay, yeah, assigning the methods. Alright, assign the freaking methods. It's absolutely lying. All schemes, yeah, I know how that works. Keyboard, mousepad, gamepad. You know what? Just add this. Whoa, no. Add this as well, for all I care. Gamepad, and then a keyboard. Yes, whatever. So that will go. That's a very thorough. tutorial, but I want this to work on trigger processors, so I can do about that. Okay, yeah, it does say the game object and device loss on device on move. Yeah, I am setting the on move. That I need to make it public. Am I doing something so wrong? Oh, okay. So now I decided that it works. Okay, it's way too fast, but oh yeah, time delta time. Yeah, of course. So I basically changed nothing, but it decided to work. Maybe it was that I didn't set the gamepad stuff. I don't know. Okay, this seems to work. Works with WASD, works with a controller. Alright. So out of curiosity, if I try that thing it said and say player, delete that, and add the inputs manager. Work. Okay, this works. How do I make it multiplayer though? I'm curious. Whatever. Yeah, I'll get back to the local co-op thing. Maybe later on, if at all. But yeah, for now, just this is enough. I'm gonna remove this from here. You know what? Just not unpack the prefab. Is that removed or something? It's to Oh. Am I being gaslit? Was that there before? Anyway. Another capsule. Graphics or whatever. Alright, yay! We have something that's moving. Okay, let's fix this camera thingy. And I think, yeah, virtual camera. Yeah, virtual camera is gonna do it. Oh, also, yeah, I forgot to change these. Yeah, I will be using deferred because I like deferred. And quality. Yeah, that's where we're at. Yeah, I don't care about performance a lot, so close fit, yeah. Look at them crisp shadows. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Component. Change camera based component. Alright. I'll definitely follow the player. Maybe look at it as well. Hey. I don't want this to get aim. It's lock to target. Up. Yeah, basically I don't want that. I don't want the rotation that's happening here. slightly better. Love to target. No roll. It's easy. The dumping. Alright, so now that's out of the way. Camera is functional, though. You know what? I want to try something. Target group camera. Oh, okay, I didn't care about that, but I do want to care about the target group. So, target would be the player. So, but you know what? Afterwards, there's going to be a boss, a pretty big one at that. So, how would the camera system handle that? Yeah, it's not great. Yeah, I don't have gravity. Body. Whoa. Okay, that's doing something. Framing transposer. to... vertical. Zoom on. Yeah, that's cool. Let's say it's 10. But it stopped doing that. Why does it do that? Make it movement only. Why is it moving? Stop moving. Horizontal. Vertical. Is it so hard? Okay, we're onto something here. Hey, oh, the wrong Nathan. Okay, sorry about that. Let me try and fix that real quick. Stereo. Oh, yeah. Sorry, it was a bit hastily added. Let me check the other one as well. Okay, I think you're fine on the voice channel. Yeah, sure about that. And also while I'm there, let me add one more. Let me add one category. here. Sorry, also doing the Discord administration. There you go. All done. All right, back to whatever this was. So that's for the can go pretty far. Those can go. Then again, I don't like the rotation here. Right. Oh wow, thanks for the follow, Homestead. Homme du temps. Okay. Oh, and thanks for the follow, Willy. Framing size. Like it that it's rotating though. How can I keep it from rotating? The composer. Okay. Well, it's indeed doing nothing then. Ah, hey, Flying Monk, thanks for the follow. Composer, I guess. Okay, this is working much better. Let's say that I can copy all these because I know this won't be saved. Okay. I would like it to follow though, besides the whole framing thing. I can't have both, can I? Follow the thing. I mean, I could, for the boss fight, I mean, the camera could be fixed, I guess. Okay. I should. I'm not gonna do a lot of stuff on stream today. Mostly because I also want to eat something because I'm pretty hungry. But I wanna add like just one more thing, just one more small thing, which is gonna be yeah, I'm gonna make it rotate, because right now it's not obvious because it's a capsule. But if I actually give it some orientation-ish thing, okay. Yeah, obviously it's not doing what I want, just doing like this, which is not what I want. So let's fix that. First off, I'm gonna need some rotation speed, like 30, and let me check how this works. I hate my code. I must write a general purpose character controller at some point, because I constantly have to dig through my old code and it's always horrible. Okay. So look towards. Okay, let's make a plan for this. Yeah, make it public, I don't care. Premium, rotation, direction, let's have a ruler, zero rocks, dots, oil angles, zero, yeah. Basically what I want is in update, I just want to say transform rotation, character controller rotate. It doesn't have a rotation. It has a raycast? Raycast? Weird. Anyway, so just transform the rotation, sorry, and just the little slurp. Normalize that, and yeah, it's gonna be 5 delta time, rotation speed. And current velocity. Hey Elvis, yeah, the theme is, we said it in the Discord, it's like X but Y, where X is like an existing genre or game, and Y is basically a twist on that game or genre. So, you know, like I'm doing something like kind of like Hyper Light Drifter, but it's a co-op boss rush. Or you could do, I don't know, like Doom, but it's a dating sim or a racing game, or, you know, whatever. The jam is 1 week. It will end next Monday at 9 p.m. my time or 8 p.m. CEST. Yeah, so 1 week. Yeah, I will mostly work after work, and maybe again during the weekend. It's a 3-day weekend as well, so that kind of helps as well. So yeah, we'll see. First off, let's focus on player again. Oh yeah, obviously, because I'm not... Desired direction. Desired direction is... Okay. So, wait. Let's call that input and let's, yeah. So I want the movement to be relative to the camera. So let's main desired direction is generally going to be or gonna be main camera from forward. Well, just into the Y outlet bay. Camera going forward. Last main camera transform right. Multiply input X. Let me see if direction. First off, just to see if the rotation works. Yeah, seems to work. I don't like this clumping happening there. It's weird. And then to actually move, it's gonna be okay, and that's gonna be just desired direction multiplied by movement speed. Okay, wow, I'm flying. So direction should be now I'm doing something stupid, but I'm trying to find out what it is. Oh well, let's just do this then. There. And be done with this. Oh wow, okay, that's working alright. to target player. It won't be a frame transposer, just a hard lock, not just an ordinary transposer with up to target and assign. Just how will this work? Yeah. It's kinda cool. So when this is like that, you can also add the boss here, whatever. Wrong boss. This boss here, right? And I can just run around, and when I get to the boss, I can just say boom. And when I leave the boss, I can just say again boom. Seriously, Cinema Scene is a lifesaver because, like, how else would you do that kind of stuff? It's crazy. What's my idea? Well, it's kind of like, it's pretty close to what I was making already, but it's gonna be kind of like Hyper Light Drifter or Titan Souls, but it's gonna be like a two-person local multiplayer co-op boss rush. So yeah. Okay, and one more thing that I want to do before logging out and maybe eating. Is adding some jumping. Jumping is always cool if done properly. So let's add some gravity. 10, because everybody knows that gravity is like 10. It's gonna be this. You know, I'm just gonna copy all the stuff because I've been through so many character controllers and tried so many different ways to do jumping, and yeah, this is the best, the closest I've gotten to that, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, like a bunch of properties, I know. This is just for debugging mainly. And private jumping balls. Oh, I also want the vertical velocity. Hey, Smoich. How's it going? glad to hear it's going. It's jumping. Yeah, alright. Okay, I need to update the character controller thingy. So add one more action. Jump! Gonna be a button. It's gonna be the A button on the gamepad or the, well, space. And save that. Okay, so now technically here this is gonna say, yeah, it has another event. It's called on jump. So I don't know if it requires any parameters, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm making a game for the game jam. Yeah, I kicked off the event and now I'm starting working on my own submission, which we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, you know, because it's gonna be a game jam, I won't be overthinking how the game is all that much and just make something and hopefully it will be cool. Let's see if it's jumping. Check if it's grounded. If so, vertical velocity equals must have square root of the jump height multiplied by 3 for some reason, multiplied by the gravity. Don't ask me why. This is the best formula I've found for jumping. And yeah, don't care about that. And if it doesn't, and okay, if not grounded, the vertical velocity is gonna be minus the gravity multiplied by time by the time. And finally, character controller move, that would be up, vertical velocity, and again time to the time. Again, don't ask me why. And we also need the ground check. Check. I'm doing it with a check sphere instead of like raycasts. I found it to be the most accurate. Ground offset and the perform position Z. And it's grounded is well physics. Check sphere. Position, grounded radius, grounded layer mask. When you trigger interaction, ignore. So it can also ignore triggers, so I only care about actual colliders. And doing the ground next here. The default, let's say that's the ground, so it does recognize I'm grounded. I'm jumping alright. Wait, why it's grounded and it keeps being grounded. I think, wait, why would that be? It's not intersecting with itself. Yeah, seems it's intersecting with itself. Okay, well that's an easy solution for that. Just that ground layer, and this is gonna be ground. Just just check for freaking ground. Awesome. Whoa. Not grounded. Hard to control the source of the drag. Right. I have questions. I have so many questions. Okay. I'm just gonna use these gizmos right here just to see what's going on. Solid. Yeah, I don't care about that. Oh, okay, so it does need to be right about there. Maybe just a tad larger. Okay, grounded, not grounded, grounded, not grounded. Okay, so this is cool. It's a bit inconsistent, to say the least. Could it be that up? doesn't make sense, but that's the way I had it in the other controller, and it seemed to work fine. So I don't know. I'm trying out stuff now. Wait, why can I? Oh, okay. It's weird that it also doesn't respond to the. I don't know if that's an input thing or it's a code thing, but it's. After jumping, it ignores the second jumping, which is annoying. So let me make this public. Let's see what's going on. Seem to be a input thing. Yeah, no, the input is being registered alright, but the thing is, if it's jumping. Yeah, I'll come back to that. I also want to check out how to make the jumping feel better. So if I increase the jump height, what will happen? Okay, so let's jumping consistently. I hate it when the jumping is so inconsistent. God damn it. What the settings on this guy? 28. Okay. Okay, I think that makes sense. I'm gonna do that somewhere. Okay. I did that on 14. It's for the double jumping I get, but I won't have. I'm not gonna have double jumping. So just gonna be doing this. Just set the vertical velocity to 0. That should clear things up. Alright, seems pretty consistent. Yep, seems good. Let's make that 2.7. Only for the debugging. And I'm falling properly. All right. Okay, I think these are some good first steps for this. Like getting the character control out of the way, or at least the basis for this, is probably one of the most important things for this project. And it's looking alright for now, and I will just keep adding stuff as I'm going, and tweaking and policing and all that. So yeah, I think that's a good place as any to leave this. And I'm gonna eat something. So thanks so much for joining. Thank you for all your hype around the jam, and hopefully if you're participating, you're making something cool, and I'd love to see what you're making. So share all your progress and all that. Yeah, I'll be trying to stream more this week as I'm doing more for the jam, though a lot of the stuff I'm probably gonna do offline, mainly because I'm much slower during the streams. And oh, thanks for the follow, that Regan. And yeah, I you know, it's not very beneficial for me to be slower during a game jam. So yeah, that's all from me right now. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll keep you posted on the updates. See y'all. Bye bye.